I'm Janelle, and this is a day in the life of a mom and a cancer thriver.
First, I'm going to have a sip of my coffee from yesterday.
I do a very quick 10-minute climb ride. I take my daily pills for depression and anxiety, and the other is to block whatever estrogen is left in my body. My son surprised me. I wake up my daughter.
Good morning.
It's time to pack our bags. My kids sneak to play while I make breakfast. Thanks for listening, guys. Next, we head to the bus stop.
Love you.
I give them so many hugs. Then I drive to Memorial Sloan Kettering. Then I walk in and I say hi to everyone who's been so comforting for the last 2 years. I have my labs done. Sorry, that's blood. Next, I have a medical oncology follow-up. I meet with Jenna, my nurse practitioner, who answers all of my questions, no matter how many times I ask. Another appointment down. Bye. Being a mom of 2 young kids during this whole cancer journey, MSK has made me feel safe. 2 years ago, life was so different. Now it's a new journey. I'm living and I'm making every moment count.